Frontline International presents Control Panel Settings for the Used Cooking Oil Tank. The task we will be completing is setting up at the control panel for Internet access. Start by pressing Menu. Then enter service code 8098. Press OK. Now press Network. From here, you can check several things. Check the IP address. Check the network type. Choose either Ethernet or Wi-Fi option. Choose Network Info. Or choose Configure Wi-Fi. Here you can select the SSID of the Wi-Fi by pressing Scan. Once you select an SSID, it will ask for the password.